Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege on PC via Steam. First, head over to the Steam store page and purchase the game. Once downloaded, launch it from your Steam library. You will then complete a quick initial setup. Take a moment to review the default keyboard and mouse controls, as precise movement and aiming are crucial. This foundational step ensures you are ready for the tactical action ahead. Rainbow Six Siege features a roster of over 60 unique operators, each bringing distinct abilities and gadgets to the battlefield. Environmental destruction is a core mechanic. Nearly 70% of walls can be breached or reinforced. Attackers aim to secure objectives, while defenders fortify their positions. Understanding these roles and how to use your operator's specific tools is key to success in every intense 5 versus 5 round. For new players, effective communication is paramount. Use your microphone to share enemy locations. Spend time learning the 23 distinct maps, understanding their layouts and objective sites. Practice your aim and recoil control in the shooting range to improve your gun skill. As an attacker, your drone is invaluable for scouting ahead and identifying defender positions before you commit to an entry. To truly master Rainbow Six Siege, focus on operator synergy. Combining 2 or 3 operator abilities can create powerful plays. Precise callouts like enemy on second floor, east window, are vital for team coordination. Observe professional players to discover advanced tactics and clever angles. Remember, every match offers a learning opportunity, so analyze your gameplay and adapt your strategies for continuous improvement and higher ranks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.